friends, welcome back to my kitchen. I hope you are all doing well and progressing in your life. Today I have come up with the recipe of shawarma with pita bread. Shawarma is a Middle Eastern cuisine and it's one of the world famous street food. Shawarma is consisting of meat cut into thin slices, stacked in a cone shape and then slowly grilled. But today I'm going to show you how to make shawarma at home along with the pita bread and to serve it with a lazy simple salad. I'm sure you're going to love this yummy recipe of shawarma and pita bread. The secret of the simple shawarma is the spice mixture which makes all the difference. So stay tuned till the end to know how to make shawarma. My chicken shawarma has 4 elements. First is the homemade pita bread. The second is the chicken marinated. The third is the salad. And the fourth twist to my shawarma is the spicy tangy homemade sauce. Let's head to the first process of pita bread making. To make a pita bread, we need an active yeast. So, in a small bowl, I am taking 2 teaspoons dry yeast, pour in some warm water along with 2 teaspoons sugar and mix well. Now we will keep it to rest for around 10 minutes. When you see the bubbles forming up, that means your yeast is good quality and it is getting active. For the dough, you have a choice to use either plain flour or wheat flour. Here I am using plain flour and sieving to remove any lumps. Add some salt as per your taste bud. And then add in the yeast water and mix well. Finally, we will add 1 tablespoon olive oil and some water as required to knead a soft, sticky dough. Keep on kneading and you will notice that the dough is no more sticking on your fingers. That means your dough is almost ready. Once the dough is kneaded well, apply some olive oil over it. Cover and allow it to rest for 2 hours. By then the dough will be double the size. Thereafter, dust some flour on your work surface and knead the dough well to knock off the air. Roll them into small tennis-sized ball and allow it to further rest for 30 minutes. Flatten them one by one. Do not put too much pressure while flattening the dough. Heat a pan and cook the pita breads on low flame for a couple of minutes on each side. See those bubbles coming up? And now it's time to turn over and allow it to puff up. Wow, that's amazing. Look how soft they are, and we are done with our pita bread. Now let's head to make the chicken shawarma. For this I have taken 700 grams of chicken breast. You can also use chicken thigh for this recipe. To make it thin strips, I am cutting the breast meat from the middle and then cutting into thin long strips. Now this goes into the marination. For the marination, we will take thick yogurt, Kashmiri chili powder, coriander powder, cumin seeds powder, turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and salt. Mix them all well together. To make our meat more succulent, I am adding 1 tablespoon olive oil and mix further. Let me check the seasoning. If everything is perfect over here. Yeah, it's all perfect now. So now it's time to dip in the chicken. Mix well so that the chicken is perfectly coated with all the spices all over and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. The chicken is nicely dunked into masalas. I want the shawarma to have a smoky effect, so I have heated an iron cast pan and laid down the chicken strips one by one. Drizzle 1 teaspoon olive oil over it. Hey, look at that smoky effect and the char marks on the chicken. Don't they look like the restaurant style chicken shawarma? Now the highlight of my chicken shawarma is the Tangy chili sauce. To make the Tangy chili sauce, these are the vegetables. I am adding red bell pepper as this will bring in the bright color and thickness to our sauce. Heat a pan with oil and saute all the vegetables on high flame. Dip in the dried chilies. The vegetables are perfectly sauteed and now it's time to add in the dry ingredients. Salt, Kashmiri chili powder. You can replace Kashmiri chili powder with cayenne pepper powder as well. We have already added the spicy part for the sauce. Now it's turn to make it tangy. So let me add 2 tablespoons vinegar and mix well. Switch off the flame and let it cool down. Now we will grind them in a blender to a smooth paste. My mouth is already watering. Seriously, this chutney is so yum. You can also use it with our Indian pancakes such as dosas, theples and idlis as well. It's super yum. Now let's head to the 4th process of the shawarma recipe. And we are going to make our easy peasy lazy salad with very basic ingredients. Cut our vegetables into long strips. I have used cucumber, capsicums, carrots, bell peppers and cabbage. Dressing them olive oil, vinegar, salt and lime juice. Ta-da! The dressing is ready. Now it's time to dip in all our vegetables and mix well. This salad is going to give the perfect crunch and bite into the shawarmas. Now the 4 components of our chicken shawarma is ready. First we prepared the pita bread, then we did the chicken shawarma, and thereafter we did the spicy tangy sauce and then a lazy peasy easy salad. So now it's time to assemble all of them. So what I'm going to do is that I will serve the shawarma in restaurant style. Let's see how to assemble and wrap the shawarma in a perfect way. I'm roughly chopping the chicken and the salad. Just chop it randomly anyhow, doesn't matter. Leave this aside and let's go to our pita bread. So here we place the pita bread on a plate and then we will layer our spicy tangy chili sauce over it. Then we are going to layer with mayonnaise, or you can use tahina sauce. But at this moment I want to use mayonnaise and that's what I prefer it. And we will layer the chopped chicken and fresh vegetables. Finally, you can add in some sliced onion as well. For wrapping a shawarma, I have taken the sandwich paper and folded into triangular shape. Roll the pita bread and wrap the sandwich paper tightly around. And fold in the edges. Thus, our chicken shawarma filled with veggies and topped with spicy tangy sauce is ready to dig in. So friends, I hope you liked this recipe. Please don't forget to like and share this recipe along with your friends. And stay tuned for the further upcoming videos and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.